Have you ever had a bad experience of math? Do you still think you are bad in math? Now you may expecting me to tell you that you are not that bad in the math. But guess what? You are. If you choose to say you are bad in math, I choose to believe you. Now, our next question will be why you are bad in math? Why your child is bad in math? Is there anything I can do? Is there anything we can teach to make it better? In order to answer this question, we have to check out what happened in your math class and what is happening in your children's math class. Now let's go to 3rd grade. Here's the prompt. Most of you can easily tell me the answer without thinking, but can you tell me why the answer is 4? I bet you not. Because what in your mind is the multiplication table here. When you were little, you were forced to memorize the multiplication table without knowing why. And when you have the prompt, you just think about the table and then find what you need and then tell me the answer is 4. Let's see what's happening in your child's math class. They do not necessarily know the multiplication table. They do whatever their teacher told them to. So same prompt, 12 divided 3 equals what? This is 12 something. We want to put it into 3 something equally. What we do first is draw 3 circles. And then we try to put the 12 stuff in. What we do is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I draw all 12 stuff in the box. And then we find out 12 divided 3 equals 4. You solve the problem, and you also explain why. Now let's practice. You got a prompt. 20 divided by 4 equals what? Your child gonna draw you 4 circles. And then they count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 until 20. So they find out the answer is 5. After that, next one. 36 divided by 6 equals what? Same thing. 6 circles. And then they draw all the strips in the box. They find out the answer is 6. I see you're smiling. You must be happy. You think you find out the strategy that can save your child from memorizing all the multiplication tables. Guess what? Congratulations! But until one day you see your little cutie is trying to solve this. Problems coming. Either you have a patient child who's trying to finish all the process and then find the answer by 20 minutes. Or you just have a child who came to you and say, Mom, this is too hard. I cannot do it. I don't like math. This is exactly what's happening in the school today. Nothing's wrong, but there is something a little bit more we can do. A+ World Education is here to help and build the little bit more and solve the problem forever. Now let's do it. What we are going to do is here. We separate them. 123, we separate them into 120 plus 3. Now we have 2 separate stuff. We divide 120 into 3, which equals 40. And then we do 3 divide 3 equals 1. Now we can easily find the answer, which is 41.